This is chapter number 4, chemical bonding and molecular structure. So now we will discuss here topic number 4.2. देखो पहले हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया कि see what is we can say the structure. So after writing structure, now we will discuss which type of bonds are there on the basis of structure. So see, first of all electrovalent bond and second one is covalent bond. So another name of electrovalent bond is ionic bond. Another name of electrovalent bond is again we can say that ionic bond. The ionic bond formation is possible. Ionic bond formation is possible in case of positive as well as negative ion. Clear? So now positive मतलब related with respect to metal and negative will be always related with respect to non-metal. Positive is always related with respect to metal and negative will be always related with respect to non-metal. So whenever positive, it means whenever metal will donate electron to complete its octet, the same electron will be accepted by non-metal. Here octet is again means completed. Clear? So now see, यहाँ पे क्या होगा? From the Cauchy and Lewis treatment of the formation of ionic bond, it follows the formation of ionic compound would primarily depends upon the ease of formation of positive and negative ion. Clear? From the respective neutral atom. जैसे सोडियम है तो सोडियम is neutral, but whenever it will donate one electron, here we can say that positive charge will come here. Similarly, chloride है, it is again means neutral, but whenever it will accept one electron, here minus charge will form. Clear? Now arrangement of the positive and negative ion in the solid, so that is lattice, है ना? Lattice of the crystalline compound. So what is meaning of crystalline compound? So crystalline compound का मतलब होता है water soluble. Crystalline is nothing but it is we can say that water soluble. And what is lattice? So regular arrangement of minimum 4 point in one plane, it is normally known as lattice. The regular arrangement of minimum 4 point in one plane, so this one is nothing but it is normally known as lattice. Clear? और जैसे देखो कोई भी मेटल है, जैसे ये मेटल है गैसियस फॉर्म, ये आयन आया, हियर मींस वन टर्म विल कम आयोनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी. क्लियर? सिमिलरली नॉन मेटल वन इलेक्ट्रॉन x माइनस, so this is normally known as electron gain enthalpy. The ionization enthalpy is suitable for metal. Here ionization enthalpy is suitable for metal and electron gain enthalpy, so this is electron gain enthalpy is suitable for non-metal. ये हम लोगों ने किसी भी मेटल की बात की है. क्लियर? नाउ अब देखो उसके बाद क्या होगा. तो व्हाट इज ओवरऑल, हियर वी कैन से दैट ओवरऑल रिएक्शन, यहाँ देखो ये आपका इलेक्ट्रॉन इलेक्ट्रॉन कट हो जाएगा, तो फाइनली दिस टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन विल कम. ये आपका आयनिक बॉन्ड बन गया, है ना? अब देखो नाउ हियर द डेल्टा EgH, ये आपका इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी is the enthalpy change when a gas phase atom in its ground state gains an electron. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? और general condition will be there. तो delta ये क्या है? Change in electron gain enthalpy is enthalpy change when a gas phase atom in its ground state gains an electron. The electron gain process may be either exothermic or endothermic. So whenever any atom will either donate electron or accept electron, so here either energy will be released or we can say consumed. Here means on the basis of energy exo and endothermic word will come. Clear? But you have to remember one thing, ionization is always endothermic. Ionization is always we can say that endothermic, है ना? An electron affinity is the negative of the energy change accompanying electron gain. So what is electronegativity? Electronegativity मतलब whenever any non-metal will accept electron to become stable, so this is normally known as, here we can say that electron affinity. Affinity का मतलब होता है attraction. Affinity मतलब attraction. जैसे देखो ये रिएक्शन है, here metal will donate electron So whatever amount of energy is required to donate, it is normally known as ionization enthalpy. And here it will accept electron. तो उसको बोलते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी. So this is C complete information for formation of ion. Now अब क्या आएगा? तो चलो यहाँ पे obviously ionic bond. Here ionic bond will be formed more easily between element with comparatively low ionization enthalpy and element with comparatively high negative value of electron gain enthalpy. इसका मतलब सिर्फ इतना है कि this type of bond formation is possible. So whenever we can say that easily cation as well as anion will form. Now most ionic compound have cation. Most ionic compound have cation derived from the metallic element and anion from non-metallic element. Cation from, here we can say that cation from cation is always related with metal and anion is always related with non-metal. Here one thing is common, that is NH4 plus. So this one is exception. देखो ऐसा 1 मार्क्स में आता है. NH4 plus is exception. So two non-metallic element, it form cation of number of ionic compound. Clear? Now, अब देखो क्या बोला मैंने? Now, ionic compound in the crystalline state, ionic compound in crystalline state consist of orderly three-dimensional arrangement of cation and anion held together by Coulombic. Here Coulombic interaction energy. So whenever cation and anion will form, which type of energy will be there? Coulombic interaction energy will be there. Clear? So this compound crystallizes in different crystal structure determined by the size of ion, their packing arrangement and other factor. Clear? These compounds crystallize in different crystal structure determined by the size of ion and their packing arrangement and other, we can say that factor. The other factors मतलब thermodynamic factor. Other factors are nothing but it is, we can say that thermodynamic factor. Now the crystal structure of NaCl, for example, is shown below. And what is another name of NaCl? Rock salt. आपको मैंने फॉर्मूला मास बताया था किस में? चैप्टर नंबर 1 में. In case of formula mass, here three dimensional arrangement will be there. देखो Cl रेड वाला है और ये आपका Na जो है ना वो ग्रीन वाला है. In any ionic solid, C. In any ionic solid, the sum of the electron gain enthalpy and ionization enthalpy may be positive, but still the crystal structure gets stabilized due to energy release in the formation of crystal lattice. So here, whenever cation and anion will form, whenever we can say that cation and anion will form, so what will happen? So some amount of energy will be released here. देखो जैसे सोडियम इलेक्ट्रॉन देता है और Cl एक्सेप्ट करता है, उसके बाद Na plus and Cl minus will try to join with each other. So whenever it will try to join with each other, then some amount of energy will be released. And after release of this energy, here what will happen? The stability of that ionic compound is possible. Stability of that type of ionic compound is possible. So this is complete information of, we can say that three-dimensional structure of NaCl. Three-dimensional structure of NaCl. Now we have to remember delta H value during formation of cation as well as anion. Correct? Now this is electrovalent bond. In case of electrovalent bond, normally what will happen? We will discuss how this electrovalent bond will form with the help of suitable example. So we are taking example of, we can say that NaCl. In case of NaCl क्या होता है? First of all, sodium will be converted into Na plus ion. See, sodium is converted into Na plus ion, 1 electron. And here how much ionization enthalpy is required? So 495.8 kilojoule per mole. You have to remember. And here we are using ionization enthalpy. The ionization enthalpy is suitable word for metal. Ionization enthalpy is suitable word for, we can say that metal. Now second one, this is Cl. Here same electron will be accepted by this Cl. So Cl minus will come. here delta EGH, electron gain enthalpy will be minus 348.7 kilojoule per mole. मतलब in case of sodium, how much amount of energy will come? 495.8, and in case of chloride, the minus 348.7 kilojoule per mole will come. Now the sum of the two, मतलब दोनों को यदि आप add करो, here how much amount of energy will remain? 147.1 kilojoule per mole is more than the compensated for by the enthalpy of lattice formation of NaCl. Clear? मतलब इधर minus 788 kilojoule per mole energy है ना, होना चाहिए, बट आता कैसा है? तो this is C after addition of this 147.1 kilojoule per mole energy is compensated. So therefore we can say that energy released in the process is more than the energy absorbed, है ना. On the basis of this data we can say that energy released in the process is more than the energy absorbed. Thus a qualitative measure of the stability of an ionic compound is provided by its enthalpy of lattice formation and not simply by achieving octet of electron around the ionic spaces in ground state. समझ में आया कि नहीं? देखो अभी मैंने आपको क्या बताया कि how we can explain preparation of electrovalent bond. So after we can say that preparation of electrovalent bond, we have to remember here ionization enthalpy in case of sodium as well as we can say that chloride, है ना. अब देखो यहाँ पे क्या दिया है, since lattice enthalpy plays a key role in the formation of ionic compound, it is important to learn, है ना, more about it. So see, during formation of electrovalent bond, ionization is important as well as we can say that here see electron gain enthalpy is important. Here we can say that ionization is important, and similarly we can say that electron gain enthalpy is important. And whenever once Na plus and Cl minus will form, once we can say that Na plus and Cl minus will form, so after formation of that, now we have to join this type of material with each other. इसीलिए क्या हो जाएगा, अब उसको join करने के लिए whatever amount of energy is required, it is nothing but it is normally known as lattice enthalpy. तब हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे what is we can say that lattice enthalpy. तो what is meaning of lattice? तो देखो lattice का मतलब क्या आता है, regular arrangement of minimum 4 point in one plane, it is normally known as lattice. देखो regular arrangement of minimum 4 point is nothing but it is normally known as lattice. अब ये चारों पॉइंट को आप ज्वाइन कर दो, सपोज ये चारों पॉइंट को यदि हम लोग ज्वाइन कर दे, तो here what will happen, here we can say that unit cell will form, है ना, which is we can say that two dimensional. So whatever amount of energy is required to join these 4 points with each other, it is nothing but it is normally known as unit cell. Whatever amount of energy is required to join these 4 points with each other, so this is nothing but it is normally known as unit cell is there. It is two dimensional. And similarly, here we can say that cube will form. Similarly, here what will happen? Here we can say that cube formation will be there. So this is we can say that 3 dimension. Cube is nothing but it is we can say that known as 3 dimension. So complete information of this type of cube will come in 12th standard solid state. हम लोग lattice का मतलब मैंने क्या बोला, here see regular arrangement of minimum, ऐसे तो 3 point भी है, 2 dimensional picture बनाने के लिए minimum 3 points are required, तो वही है. तो what is lattice? तो regular arrangement of minimum 4 point in one plane, it is normally known as lattice. And whatever amount of energy is required to join these 4 points with each other, so this is nothing but it is normally known as lattice enthalpy. If amount of lattice enthalpy will be more, it means stability of material will be more. If amount of lattice enthalpy will be more, it means here we can say that stability of material will be more. Clear? If stability of material will be more, the lattice enthalpy will be more. And if lattice enthalpy will be more, here we can say that solubility will be less here. So this is complete information of lattice enthalpy. Clear? Clear है solid state. चलो 12th में फिर से आएगा, इसलिए थोड़ा ध्यान देना. मतलब कोई भी चीज की स्टेबिलिटी के लिए किसी भी चीज की स्टेबिलिटी के लिए which things are required, here we can say that lattice enthalpy. तो चलो यहाँ पे क्या दिया है, this is definition, energy required, see energy required to completely separate 1 mole of solid ionic compound into gaseous constituent ion, it is normally known as lattice enthalpy. Clear? Energy required to completely separate 1 mole of solid ionic compound into gaseous constituent ion, so that is nothing but it is normally known as here lattice enthalpy. In case of NaCl, lattice enthalpy is 788 kilojoule per mole. In case of NaCl, lattice enthalpy is 788 kilojoule per mole. So this will represent that in case of 1 mole of NaCl, 788 kilojoule energy is required. For 1 mole of NaCl, here we can say that 788 kilojoule per mole of energy is required. ये थर्मोडायनेमिकल डेटा है, वो आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा. क्लियर? चलो यहाँ पे मैं बोलूँ तो सी दिस मीन्स दैट 788 kilojoule of energy is required to separate 1 mole of solid NaCl into 1 mole of Na plus and 1 mole of Cl minus to an infinite distance. डिस्टेंस मतलब दोनों के बीच का जो बोलते हैं ना कि गैप होता है वो. चलो अब क्या होगा, नाउ सी हियर दिस प्रोसेस इन्वॉल्व व्हिच वन, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ आयन. तो दिस प्रोसेस इन्वॉल्व बोथ द अट्रैक्टिव फोर्सेस बिटवीन आयंस ऑफ अपोजिट चार्ज एंड रिपल्सिव फोर्सेस बिटवीन आयंस ऑफ लाइक चार्ज. देखो अट्रैक्शन कहाँ पे होता है, तो व्हेनेवर वी कैन से दैट चार्जेस आर डिफरेंट, तो व्हेनेवर चार्जेस आर डिफरेंट हियर वी कैन से दैट अट्रैक्शन विल बी देयर. And whenever charges are same, here we can say that repulsion will be there. So charges are same मतलब तो same charge is always related with respect to जैसे metal and then after non-metal and non-metal. Clear? Now the solid crystal being 3D. Clear? The solid crystal being 3D, it is not possible to calculate lattice enthalpy directly from the interaction of forces. ये क्या है, इंटरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्सेस ऑफ अट्रैक्शन एंड रिपल्जन ओनली. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, द सॉलिड क्रिस्टल बीइंग 3 डायमेंशन, देखो 3D हो गया, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू कैलकुलेट लैटिस एंथैल्पी डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द इंटरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्सेस ऑफ अट्रैक्शन एंड रिपल्जन ओनली. तो फैक्टर्स एसोसिएटेड विद क्रिस्टल ज्योमेट्री हैव टू बी इंक्लूडेड हियर. मतलब whenever you are interested to find out here lattice enthalpy, then here only attraction and repulsion is not, we can say that important parameter. Here we can say that important parameters are geometry also. Geometry मतलब whether it is, we can say that 2 dimension or 3 dimension. So this is complete information of electrovalent bond. देखो इलेक्ट्रोवैलेंट बॉन्ड बोलो या आयनिक बॉन्ड बोलो, दोनों का मतलब सेम होता है. आप इलेक्ट्रोवैलेंट बोलो या आयनिक बॉन्ड. और आपको एक चीज याद रखने का, एनी मटेरियल विच इज सॉल्यूबल इनसाइड वाटर, इन एनी मटेरियल विच इज सॉल्यूबल इनसाइड वाटर, हियर वी कैन से दैट लैटिस एंथैल्पी विल बी लेस. मटेरियल विच इज नॉट सॉल्यूबल इनसाइड वाटर, इट मींस लैटिस एंथैल्पी विल बी मोर. इफ लैटिस एंथैल्पी विल बी मोर, तो डिस्टेंस बिटवीन 2 एटम विल बी मिनिमम एंड स्टेबिलिटी विल बी मैक्सिमम. And stability will be maximum, तो solubility will be also, we can say that affected here. मतलब जैसे ग्लूकोज पाउडर है और शुगर है, तो ग्लूकोज is soluble with water, but sugar is again we can say that less soluble as compared to glucose. Solubility of here sugar will be less. So in another way we can say that important term is here lattice enthalpy. That's all. Clear?